Are you looking for the best electric skateboard? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best electric skateboard on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MEEPO Campus. The MEEPO Campus V3S/V5/ER/NV Electric Skateboard Series are electric longboards known for balancing performance, ease of use, and price. Here's a breakdown of key features and what they mean for you. Models Overview. MEEPO has a few models, each designed for different needs. Model Top Speed Range Weight Best 4. Campus, 18 mph, 10 miles lightweight beginners, students. V3S, 28 mph, 11 miles, 16 lbs commuters, intermediate riders. V5, 29 mph, 11 miles, 18 lbs intermediate to advanced. ER, extended range, 29 mph, 20 miles heavier long-range commuters. NV 29 mph varies, custom deck, stylish design advanced riders who want a sleek deck. Common features across models. Top speed up to 29 miles per hour, depending on model. 4 speed modes plus smooth braking. Great for beginners to pros. Ergonomic wireless remote. Speed control, braking, and reverse. Handle design. Easy to carry like a suitcase. Deck type. Varies, maple, composite, concave shape for control. Regenerative braking. Charges battery when braking. Hobbywing ESC. Responsive throttle and braking. IPX4 water resistance. Splashproof, but not waterproof. Pros. Quick acceleration. Reliable braking system. Durable construction. Swappable batteries. Some models. Great customer support, noted in reviews. Cons. Heavy, especially ER model. Not ideal for very rough roads. Campus model lacks high-end torque for hills. Number 2. ILS Mini Longboard Cruiser. The ILS Mini Longboard Cruiser is a compact, beginner-friendly commuter board designed for convenience, portability, and smooth cruising. Great for both new riders and seasoned commuters who prioritize ease of use over high speed. Key features. Feature details. Deck maple wood. Wide shape for balance and stability. Size compact, about 18 to 19 inches long, with a carry handle. Weight 4 to 5 pounds, extremely portable. Wheels large, soft cruiser wheels. Great for cracks and bumps. Trucks wide for stability despite small size. Speed not electric, this is a manual pushboard. Rider level designed for beginners and casual riders, but fun for experienced riders too. Pros. Super lightweight and portable. Easy to carry, built-in handle. Very stable for its size thanks to wide deck/truck setup. Great for last-mile commuting, can fit in lockers or under desks. Smooth ride on sidewalks and pavement. Comes with a smartphone-friendly setup guide and QR code. Cons. Not electric, no motors or assisted riding. Small deck not ideal for high speeds or tricks. Not for rough terrain or long-distance rides. Some users may prefer a longer deck for carving. MEEPO versus Elos quick comparison. Feature MEEPO V3S/V5/ER/NV ILS Mini Cruiser. Power electric, up to 29 miles per hour. Manual push only. Portability medium to heavy, 16 to 20 pounds. Ultralight, 4 to 5 pounds. Skill level intermediate to advanced beginner to intermediate. Range 10 to 20 miles, electric. Depends on your stamina. Use case fast commuting, hills last mile, casual cruising. Price range higher, $300, $700 lower, $130, $200. Number 3. Magneto SUV Skateboard. The Magneto SUV Skateboard is a versatile, ready-to-ride standard-size skateboard designed for all-around use, ideal for cruising, street tricks, park riding, and general transportation. It's a great pick for beginners or casual riders looking for a no-fuss, durable, and budget-friendly board. Key features. Feature details. Deck 31 inches by 8.5 inches, 7-ply Canadian maple. Durable and stiff for tricks and cruising. Shape standard double kicktail, allows for ollies, flips, and ramps. Trucks high-quality aluminum, stable and responsive. Wheels medium hardness, good for street and light cruising. Bearings ABEC rated, decent speed for beginners and intermediates. Weight limit supports teens and adults comfortably. Fully assembled, ready to ride out of the box. Bonus comes with a free skate tool. Pros: all-purpose design, suitable for skate parks, sidewalks, or just learning. Sturdy and balanced, thanks to the Canadian maple deck. Ready to go, no setup required. Includes tool, useful for wheel/truck adjustments. Affordable, great value for the quality. Cons: wheels may feel too hard for rough pavement, but easily swappable. Not as portable as mini cruisers like Elos. Not electric, manual only. Basic bearings, upgrade needed for higher performance. How it compares to others. Feature Magneto SUV Elos Cruiser MEEPO electric boards. Type traditional skateboard compact cruiser electric longboard. Deck size 31-inch, standard, 18-19, mini, 38 plus, longboard. Power manual push electric, up to 29 miles per hour. Skill range beginner, intermediate beginner, casual beginner, advanced. Use case tricks, parks, cruising compact commuting long distance, speed commuting. Number 4. Cardium 22-inch plastic mini cruiser. The Cardium 22-inch plastic mini cruiser is a compact, retro-style skateboard modeled after the classic penny board design. It's best suited for kids, teens, and casual riders looking for a fun, portable ride ideal for smooth surfaces and short commutes. Key features. Feature details. Deck size 22 inches long x 6 inches wide. Material plastic, durable, flexible, weather-resistant. Trucks lightweight aluminum. Wheels soft, grippy polyurethane, good for sidewalk cruising. Bearings ABEC rated, smooth for short rides. Max weight typically supports up to 220 lbs. Fully assembled, ready to ride out of the box. Design bright, colorful options, often appealing to kids. Pros: extremely lightweight and portable, fits in a backpack. Good for beginners. Stable for short distances. No maintenance deck, rain and dirt resistant. Fun retro vibe. Great value/affordable. Cons: short wheelbase, less stable at higher speeds. Not suitable for tricks or rough roads. Not ideal for adult beginners wanting stability. Narrow deck can feel cramped. Manual push, not electric. Quick comparison. Kartium versus others. Feature Cardium Mini Cruiser Elos Cruiser Magneto SUV MEEPO Electric. Deck size 22-inch, very small, 18-19, wide, 31, standard, 38, longboard. Material plastic wood Canadian maple, fiber, composite. Best for kids, fun cruising commuting, beginners tricks and cruising high-speed commuting. Verdict: if you're looking for a super portable and fun board for kids or quick casual rides, the Cardium is a solid, affordable option. But for more stability, smoother rides or tricks, boards like the Elos or Magneto SUV are better picks. Number 5. BELEEV Cruiser Skateboard. The BELEEV Cruiser Skateboard is a 27 inches by 8 inches mid-size skateboard designed as a solid all-around option for beginners and casual riders. Suitable for kids, teens, and adults alike. It blends the stability of a cruiser with some trick capability thanks to its double kicktail design. Key features. Feature details. Deck size 27 inches long by 8 inches wide. Compact but roomy enough for adult feet. Deck material 7-ply Canadian maple. Durable, slightly flexible. Shape concave with double kicktails. Great for control and basic tricks. Trucks 5-inch aluminum alloy, stable and strong. Wheels soft PU, ideal for cruising and sidewalk riding. Bearings ABEC, 7, smooth enough for beginners. Max load, 220 lbs. Extras comes fully assembled plus includes T-tool for adjustments. Pros: great for beginners. Stable, easy to ride. Compact size, easier to carry than full-size boards. Versatile deck, cruising plus basic tricks. Durable construction. Includes skate tool, value add for tuning trucks/wheels. Budget-friendly. Cons. Not as fast/advanced as performance boards. Small wheelbase may feel cramped for tall riders. Not built for aggressive tricks or rough terrain. Manual. Non-electric. Comparison snapshot. Feature BELEEV Cruiser Magneto SUV Elos Cruiser Cardium Mini. Deck size 27 inches by 8 inches 31 inches by 8.5 inches 18 to 19 inch. Mini wide, 22, mini narrow. Material Canadian maple wood plastic. Use case cruising plus tricks park/street/ cruising compact commuting lightweight cruising. Best for beginners all ages all-around riders portability first kids and short rides. The BELEEV Cruiser hits a nice middle ground. Portable, versatile, and beginner-friendly, especially if you're looking for something more stable and trick-capable than a plastic mini cruiser, but not as large as a full-size skateboard.